Good afternoon, class. Welcome to our English class. Today we will start our new lesson, lesson 3, playing. So, I think I should not ask you what you mean by playing, cause this you all know what is playing, and you all love to play, isn't it? So, playing means to do something or to enjoy yourself, to have fun like you do, and like we in this lesson we are going to know. So, this is the lesson. Here it is three children, Chimsi, Tutu, and Disha. They were playing football. Let's start the conversation. Chimsi, hello Tutu, how are you? So Chimsi was asking Tutu how he was. Tutu, hey hi, I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Then Tutu replied to Chimsi that thank you for asking how he was, and he was fine. He was good. Now tell me how you are. Then Chimsi replied, I am fine too. Tutu, meet Disha, my cousin. Disha, meet my friend Tutu. So Chimsi said he was also fine, he was also good, and then he introduced Tutu to meet his cousin Disha, and he introduced his friend Tutu to Disha. Meet my friend Tutu. Tutu, hello Disha, nice to meet you. Then Tutu said Disha that hi Disha, and it's good to meet you. Then Disha replied him, hi Tutu, nice to meet you too. And she said that it's good to meet you too. Tutu, why don't you even join us in playing football? Then initially Chimsi and Tutu were playing, and then Tutu asked Disha that why she doesn't join them. Let's play together. Then Disha, oh me? Okay. Disha was thinking, me? Then after thinking for a second, she said, okay, let's play. Chimsi, great then, I'll be the goalkeeper. Then Chimsi was saying that it's good and it's great that Disha also joined them, and he will be the goalkeeper. Who is goalkeeper? Usually in sports like football and hockey there is a goalkeeper, and the goalkeeper is a player who stands in front of the goal. You know, there is a line where there is ball should not pass over that, and tries to stop the other team from scoring. So they try to stop the ball so that the other team cannot score. Tutu, sure, why not? Then Tutu was saying to Chimsi that yes, good, sure, you should be a goalkeeper. Chimsi, let's play then. Chimsi said, let's start the play. Let's start playing. You can see they were playing. Chimsi and Tutu were two boys, and Disha was girl. Disha is a girl. You can see they are playing, and beside that she in between in yellow shirt Chimsi, Tutu and Disha were playing. Okay class, read the conversation. Until then, take care. We will start with the next lesson.